The double-decker train rolls towards Germany.
Mir ums Herz so wohl. Ich schau ins tiefe Tal hinab ins schöne Land Tirol. Ich seh die weißen Nebel ziehen, die Sonne scheint ins Gwent. Tiroler Land, mein Heimatland, ich lieb dich ohne Ende.
Soon they arrive in Neustadt.
Auf meinen sicheren Schuss ein ganz Bock runterfällt. Die Berge sind mein Gotteshaus, der Jodler mein Gebiet. Ich hoffe, dass der Herrgott mich und mein Gebiet versteht.
Emma suddenly spots something flash past the tracks.
The ice!
Later, they discover good news.
It's available tomorrow. We can finally ride it.
Die Blärmerl heiß, den Eumerausch und Enzian und auch das Edelweiß. Den Jodler und den Zitterklang hör ich fürs Leben gern. Jetzt hört's mir zu, die lieben Leid, jetzt hört's ein Jodler hören.
Hungry after the journey, they see a food truck serving crepes. Then, they start their drive on a VW camper. The family stops for fuel before continuing their road trip, and then a well-earned stop at Burger King. This must be the best burger of the whole trip. Afterward, we walked to the square nearby, which was bustling with energy. A live band played outside in a container with drums, guitars, keys, and lovely music filling the air. Mom, can we get something? A souvenir?
Of course.
The family wandered through the square, browsing stalls and picking up little souvenirs. After collecting a few souvenirs and enjoying the live band on a container, they set to leave to the museum.
Und jodle noch aus voller Brust vom Berg ins tiefe Tal, hinaus ins schöne Alpenland zum allerletzten Mal.
Gedanken sind frei, wer kann sie erraten? Sie fliehen vorbei, wie nächtliche Schatten. Kein Mensch kann sie wissen, kein
They drive through beautiful towns of Germany, passing an old brewery still in service. Soon they reached Koblenz Railway Museum. Historic locomotives from different eras fill the yard. Both Lily and Emma went wandering around the historic trains that once served millions of passengers brought to rest.
Bleibet dabei, die Gedanken sind frei.
Es bleibet dabei, die Gedanken sind frei. Und sperrt man mich ein im finsteren Kerker, das alles sind rein vergebliche Werke, denn meine Gedanken zerreißen die Schranken.
Tankers and containers stacked together.
Look at that textile factory by the container yard.
Drum will ich auf immer den Sorgen absagen und will mich auch nimmer mit Grillen mehr plagen. Man kann ja im Herzen stets lachen und scherzen und denken dabei,
At the park adjacent, we all rushed to see a clown put on a stellar performance before sitting out on the drive along the famous Rhine Gorge. Trains went by on both sides of the Rhine, passing through bridges and railway crossings. Castles rise above the river.
That's Marksburg Castle, one of the few castles never destroyed.
They camp nearby under the stars beside the Rhine River. The next morning, the family leaves to explore Marksburg Castle.
Whoa, look at those knights!
And those cannons.
Wow, a cellar!
And those arts.
Look at those medieval weapons! This place is amazing!
After the Marksburg visit, the family finally made it to Neustadt that evening and boarded the ice to Austria. The train races toward the Alps. Snow-covered mountains appear in the distance. Soon, they reach Austria.
The mountain air, it feels different here.
Next up, Uncle Lucas's farm. Cows graze peacefully. They're huge! Inside the barn, Uncle Lucas explains how milk is produced.
It's not the size of the farm that matters, it's the care and routine.
The next morning, the family continues towards Switzerland. Their camper setup, an old Mitsubishi Pajero pulling a trailer, begins the long drive into the Alps. As they cross into Switzerland, something unusual appears on the tracks. A long green locomotive with a strange shape rolls past.
That's the Swiss crocodile locomotive.
Nearby, a small tourist train carries visitors along the viewing paths. Soon, they arrive at Rhine Falls, the largest plain waterfall in Europe. As the mist rises, something unexpected appears above, a wedding ceremony beside the waterfall. That's the coolest wedding location ever. Later, in a nearby valley, they see a kids' band performing in an open field, while a castle stands proudly on the hill above them. A train passes behind the stage as music fills the air.